Hey folks, Ken Berry here with OB Farms. We just had a big windstorm. No tornado, but this big oak turns out was hollow inside. I didn't know that. And now I get to clear it out of my farm road. We had some other damage around the farm as well. You want to see? Hang on. And it got the top out of this hickory in our front yard, and just like a tornado to a trailer park, anytime a tree falls, it will be on your fence. So now I've got some fencing work to do. Yippee, as Granny Berry says. And another huge hickory in our front yard that I did not realize was 90% dead. Evidently, electric fence is a tree magnet. So even more fencing work to do. It also got the other side of the fence over there. So I'll be busy for the next few days. Be watching for content as I learn how to become an expert fencer. All right, we got the tree cleared out. I've got one post bent badly, another post bent a little bit. Got to put all the wires back in their holders, and I've got one turnbuckle that got blown out there at the corner. That'll be a few hours work. We could really use a farmhand if any of you guys know a young person that's willing to relocate to Middle Tennessee. I've got plenty of work for them. This is Ken Berry. See you next time.